everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I'm here today to show you how I did a Santa that I die cut from a die that I got from online. And I'm using my blending tool from Little Acres Creation to apply my Spun Sugar Distress ink. Now, I did the nose first, and I didn't particularly care for the size of the head. I wanted it a little bigger to make it easier for me to work with. So I actually used a 1 3/8 inch circle punch. And why I'm inking it, other than it's just complete and total habit, is the only reason I can give you, because all of that edging is covered up. So it's definitely not necessary to do that part. And I'm just putting things on so I can get an idea where to put my eyes and my cheeks, or chalk my cheeks. And I just used a mechanical pencil and put a thin line where I wanted to put it. And this is really only the second time that I've used this die. And I'm going to be honest, I wasn't feeling well, so I'm not doing really good. And this poor video has like been edited and pieced together a bazillion times, so it's not the best. And if you have any questions still, I'd be more than happy to redo it or fix it for you all. But I told someone I would do it, and I want to share that. And it's showing how I do Santa's face and then put Santa together. And so this was a really small piece, so I think I will be doing another video showing how I chalk the cheeks and do the eyes for my characters, because it's just really hard to see in this tiny little piece. But again, like I said I would do it, and I'm going to. And if I said I would do any other videos for anyone and I haven't, please remind me. I'd forget my name if it wasn't, written on my birth certificate. I always say I'd forget my head for one attached to my butt, but I didn't think that sounded very nice. But I said it anyway, so I guess it don't matter. So here I'm getting out, oh my golly. Alright, I'm getting out my black pan pastel to go around the eyes. And because this is such a tiny piece, I'm using a chalk or a paintbrush. I'm still trying to find my 1 and 2 millimeter pom-pom balls, but for now this is working. And so I'm just going around the bottom and the one side on each one of them with the pan pastel, and it just kind of deepens the eyes, gives it a little definition, makes them look more dimensional. And now I'm coming in with my titanium white pan pastel and just putting a little hint of like a shadow at the bottom and up the one side of the eye a little bit. And then I'll come in with my Uniball Signo Broad Gel Pen, and that I put 2 dots, a bigger one at the top and then a smaller one beneath it. I do the same on all of them pretty much. Bringing in my Micron 005 pen. I always trace all the way around my eyes, and then that's what I use to put my eyelashes on with. And it was really hard. Like I said, this is such a tiny piece. And so it's really hard to show you guys how I do them. So if it's not detailed enough, I apologize. I will do it again for you guys so that, I can share it better. And so here I am getting Santa's beard and mustache ready so he looks handsome for the day. And realized that, my chalk was up too high, so I'm trying to add more on with my Stampin' Up! Chalks. And I use the Fabri-Tac glue. Santa's face and nose are made out of 110-pound Recollections pink cardstock, but the beard and everything else are made out of felt, so I use Fabri-Tac to put everything together. And there I am. I don't know why I do it, but I always put 3 little dots on his cheeks. And realized I needed a piece of a foam dot because the top is pretty lifted up off of the surface because of the 2 layers of felt. And I bought my felt from a place called Benzie Felt. I heard about it from Marilyn G. And it's okay. I mean, it's a little thicker, and a little thicker. than some of my other felts like I got from Walmart. But I will tell you, I was looking last night and some of my Creatology felt, which I can't remember if that's Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but it was pretty thick and pretty nice. So, do whatever you think works best for you. And here I'm just hooking on a little snowflake on the one side. And I will show you, see there's two of them together. I forgot to put the white line with my gel pen across the bottom where it, gives the white to his eye. So I forgot to do that and wanted to show that. But there's one in more traditional colors and then one in pink and cream. And I hope you guys like this. And again, I apologize for being all over the place, but I promised I would do this and I wanted to get it up. I hope you like this, guys. If you do, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.